IUPAC nomenclature of fused and bridged ring system. First of all, try to understand the meaning of fused ring and the bridge ring. Here, in both ring systems, two carbon atoms common. These two carbon atom commons. This carbon and this carbon, two carbon atom commons. These carbon atoms are called bridge-head carbon atoms. And here in fused ring system, there are actually two bridges. One is this one, another is this one. So one more bridge is there, this is. So all these three bridges in fact joining to this two carbon. Here also there are three bridges which are joining here at these two carbons. Now you have to remember all these things. In fact, there are certain carbons present on each bridge. So if you consider this bridge, there are two carbons on this bridge. If you consider this bridge, there are two carbons on this bridge. And if you consider this third bridge, there is just one carbon present on this third bridge. Similarly, you just try to understand this bridge. If you consider this bridge, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. And if you consider this bridge, there are again 4 carbons. But if you consider this bridge, there is no other carbon. So except this common carbon, there is no other carbon present here. That means 0 carbons present on this bridge. So this is about fused ring and the bridge ring. Now both, for nomenclature, rules are similar for both fused ring as well as bridge ring. So here I have written a formula type. I have gathered all rules together and represented that all rules in one formula as if. So how to draw or how to provide IUPAC name, that you try to understand properly. So first of all, you in your name, in the IUPAC name of fused ring and bridge ring, all substituents you should arrange alphabetically with their local numbers. After that, you have to write word bicyclo. In our previous video, we have seen spiro compounds already. There was a spiro word, but since these are bicyclo compound, so you have to write bicyclo word. After that, very common, very similar to the spiro compound, we have to write here square bracket, and in the square bracket you have to write how many carbons present on each bridge. So there are 3 bridges present, although there is no carbon present on the central bridge, but you have to consider 3 bridges, that bridge having 0 carbons. Okay, now there are 3 bridges, so there will be 3 numbers here inside the square bracket, and each number showing number of carbon present on each bridge. If there is no carbon, then you have to write 0, and you have to, in this bicyclo compound, you have to arrange that number in descending order. That means highest number will come first, then smaller number, and then 0 if 0 is there. And all these numbers are separated by using dots. After that, you have to write its parent number from total number of carbons present in the compound. So that will give you the name of parent alkane. Again, 2 more rules I have written here regarding numbering. First rule is regarding numbering. If substituent is there, we must give the numbers. And the numbering in this compound, in bicyclo, B, you remember B, the numbering is started from either of the common carbons, and first of all going in the big ring. In spiro compound we have seen the numbering is started in smaller ring, but you remember here B for bicyclo. So the numbering is actually started at either of the common carbon and going first in the big ring and then going to the smaller ring. Again, we have to just follow the another rule. That rule says highest priority functional group should get least possible number. So you have to consider highest a functional group and provide least possible number. Again, for least priority functional group, you have to use suffix, and for another groups you have to use prefixes. So this is a general, these are the rules, general rules which are usually used to provide the IUPAC name to the fuse ring and the bridge ring. Now we have to consider two examples first, then we'll consider few more examples. Now see, first if you watch here, there are two substituents, so I must provide numbers to the ring. So these are common carbons, so the numbering is started. You see here both rings are of equal size, so there is no question of beginning. We have to start numbering in which ring. So I'll start numbering here, the bridge 1, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, going to the next ring through this another common carbon 6. I cannot go in this direction because already we have considered this. So this is 7th number and this is 8, 9 and 10, total 10 carbons. So these are two substituents, they are present at carbon number 2 and carbon number 8. So these are 2, 8. So since both are common, so I use here prefix di, and you know this is methyl, so this is methyl. So this is 2,8 dimethyl, and as per this rule then word bicyclo comes. Bicyclo, then I have to write here square bracket and count number of carbon present on each ring, on each bridge in fact. 1, 2, 3 and 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and on middle bridge there is no carbon. So I have to arrange them in descending order, but since there are equal number of carbons, so I need not to worry. And the last one is 0. Since there are 10 carbons, so this is a decane. So the name of this compound is 2,8 dimethyl bicyclo 4.4.0 a decane. Examples of some fused and bridge ring systems. We have just seen different rules required for the IUPAC nomenclature of fuse and bridge ring system. With the help of that rules, we will try few examples. So first, I'm taking this example. So as per the rule, if you observe substituents on the ring, then you must provide numbers, and numbering is started from the common carbon. Since both rings are of equal size, so there is no question of smaller and bigger ring. So I'll start numbering here or here. If this chloro will come first, so this is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Alphabetically C will come first, so this is 2 chloro, then will come at 7th position there is methyl, so this is 7 methyl, and then this is bicyclo in square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4.4, and middle bridge there is no carbon, so 0. And since there are 10 total carbons, so this is a decane. So the IUPAC name of first compound is this one. Now coming toward the next compound, this is very simple. There is no substituent, so don't provide any number. So the name will start with bicyclo, then square bracket. See here, on this bridge there is just one carbon. On this bridge there is just one carbon, so 1.1, and middle bridge there is no carbon, so 0. Since there are 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, so this is butane. So this is bicyclo 1.1.0 butane. Now coming toward the next ring, so there in this compound both rings are of different size. First one is a bigger ring and another is a smaller ring. So the numbering will be started here, at this common carbon, that is 1, and then I'm going to the bigger ring where the substituent is present, and this is carbon number 2, then going to this carbon 4, 5, 6, and then going to the smaller ring 7 and 8. Now see here at carbon number 2 there is methyl group, so this is 2-methyl bicyclo, then square bracket. So in bigger ring there are 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, smaller ring there are 2 carbons, and on actually central bridge there is no carbon, so 0. So total 8 carbons, so this compound is octane, parent is octane. Now coming to the next example where OH group is present and both rings are of same size. So numbering is started here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So at second carbon there is OH group and there are total 8 carbons. So this is bicyclo. Since this is alcohol, I am using suffix. So there are 1, 2, 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3 carbons. So 3 dot, 3 dot. There is no carbon on central bridge, 0. So total octane. So which octane? This is octanol actually. So which octanol? This is 2-octanol. So very simple, because there is OH group present at carbon number 2. Now here 3 bridges, and on each bridge there are more than at least one carbon is present. So this is somehow different than fused because this is bridge ring system. Now numbering is not required, so I'll write just bicyclo in square bracket C, 2 carbons and 1 carbon on one bridge. So definitely that will be 2 dot 2 dot 1, and since there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, so this is heptane. So see once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 heptane. So bicyclo 2 dot 2 dot 1 heptane. Now coming toward this another bridge ring system, there is a substituent, means double bond present here in the bigger ring. So numbering is started here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this kind of numbering is given. So there are 10 carbons and one double bond is also there. So here I have to write bicyclo in bracket. See here 1, 2, 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3 carbons and 2 carbons on one bridge. So 3 dot 3 dot 2. So the name of this compound is decane, but it is not decane since there is a double bond. So this is a dec 2 in. So decene. So this is decene. Now coming toward the next ring. Now see there are again numbering is not required. So this is a bicyclo. See there 1, 2, 3 carbons, 2 carbon and 1 carbon. So in descending order that will be 2 dot 3 dot 1. And since there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many? 3 carbons, 2 carbons and 1 carbon. 3 carbons, 2 carbon and 1 carbon. So total number of carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is octane. So in this way you can provide names to the fuse ring as well as bicyclo compounds.